So we're sitting here with Lily, and Lily came to see us not so long ago, and
January.
in January of this year, and she's going to tell us a little bit about her chiropractic experience here at Robert's Family Chiropractic. So Lily, if you'd like to, just go ahead and tell us a little bit about what you've done.
I came to see Dr. Roberts as a result of an injury that I'd had actually in a year prior, in January of 2008. I stepped out of my tub one day and I couldn't walk. And I wound up going to the hospital, given morphine. No one could figure out what was what, till I was finally sent by my doctor, by a specialist, rheumatologist, thought I had arthritis, to physical therapy. I went through about 8 months of physical therapy. I was told I had Pirformis syndrome, which is a strangling of the sciatic nerve by the butt muscle, as it were, or you could say your hip rotator. And that doctor, after 7 months of work, pulled me to the side, the physical therapist, and said, find a good chiropractor, which I believed in because I'm originally from New York, and I had one in New York when I lived there, but now I live in Philadelphia for 5 years. I was in a lot of pain, and at the suggestion of my friend Marianne Hall, she said, do a Google for your area, what's closest to you, so you can go immediately. And I found Dr. Roberts Chiropractic. And I researched it. They have an excellent website. I phoned immediately. I spoke to the assistant, Bobby, and she said, make an appointment and come in. I came in. I was evaluated by Dr. Eric. It was fantastic. They immediately started with weekly adjustments and recommendations with what to do. One huge recommendation is to stay hydrated and drink lots and lots of water, exercise, how to sit, getting in and out of bed, those sort of things. And it's a huge improvement in my quality of life, and I very strongly recommend it. It doesn't hurt. It actually feels wonderful. I'm always amazed when I come in with sciatica pain, if it ever should every now and then creep up. And I asked Dr. Lenny, how do you know? He knows exactly where to touch. He knows where I hurt. And he says, I've been doing this for a long time. So I'm in good hands, and I feel fantastic coming here, and I very strongly recommend for people to consider chiropractic care. It's a lifelong process. It's not just, well, you go twice and take an aspirin and you're fine. And you learn a great deal, so I recommend it.
Well, thanks for coming and seeing us, Lily. We're glad to have you.
Thank you.